It's time for today's Legal Minute with the Law Office of Cooley Shrair in Springfield. Today we're joined by attorney John Davis. Now we're talking about two different kinds of bankruptcy, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Let's start with Chapter 7. What is it?
Well, Chapter 7 basically is a proceeding whereby one can obtain relief from their creditors. And it's often referred to as a Chapter 7 liquidation because in essence you are taking your non-exempt assets and putting them before the court to help repay your creditors. However, understand that typical situation, or quite often, the assets that are being put before the court are insufficient, or they're nominal assets, so that it really winds up being no liquidation, and you wind up getting a discharge from your debts.
So differently then, what's a Chapter 13 bankruptcy?
Well, Chapter 13 bankruptcy is, again, a proceeding to obtain relief from your creditors. It's often referred to as a wage earner plan because what you're going to do is set up a plan. It's usually a term about 3 to 5 years, and you're going to use your income to help pay your creditors over that period of time. And at the end of that time, you then are able to obtain a discharge.
So why would you choose one over the other? Is one for a certain kind of person?
Well, there are instances where your income level may be too high and you don't qualify for a Chapter 7. It would force you to do a Chapter 13. The other instances is that where a Chapter 13, unlike a Chapter 7, can actually stop a foreclosure sale, whereby you set up a plan that allows you to pay your mortgage that you're behind on over a 3 to 5 year period. You pay the arrears over that period of time as well as your monthly payment.
Now these are really important decisions, big decisions in your life, and I can only imagine you'd want to consult with a lawyer. So if people stop at the Law Office of Cooley Shrair, they can talk to you or one of the people on your staff.
Well, you know, bankruptcy is a complicated area. It's highly recommended that you see an attorney or a qualified advisor to get advice.
Thank you so much for stopping by with these tips. That's your Legal Minute. And for more information, you can call the Law Office of Cooley Shrair, 413-781-0750, or just visit CooleyShrair.com.